Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to hide or disable WhatsApp notifications. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. We'll first open the settings on our device. Then we'll scroll down until we can see WhatsApp on this list. Open it and then select this notification section. In here, you'll see this page with a bunch of different settings related to your WhatsApp notifications. You can enable or disable the notifications you get on your home screen lock screen or the notification center. We also have an option to enable or disable the badges, which are the little red dots in the top right corner of your app icon. You can turn off the sound if you want to, and if you want to completely hide all notifications, just disable this option called Allow Notifications option. That will disable all your WhatsApp notifications, and you won't be able to tell if you have any messages unless you open WhatsApp directly. Now, if we want to access the WhatsApp notification settings, we can easily click on this blue WhatsApp notification settings option right here. That's going to open our app. But if you use an Android and you don't have the blue button, what you want to do is to simply open WhatsApp, then click on the little gear icon in the bottom right corner, and then open the notification section. Now we can customize different settings in here, like the message notifications, the group message notifications, and all that other stuff. You can play around with this and even disable everything if you don't want WhatsApp to send you any notification whatsoever. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.